everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do something very quick and easy. We're going to use baby bella mushroom to make a nice appetizer. This one, guys, it's my favorite. I would just eat the entire box of mushroom in one sitting, no doubt. We're going to make an appetizer, so you're going to kind of stir fry it a bit with butter and olive oil, and to give it a nice little punch of a flavor I'm going to use the orange zest and of course garlic. If you want to continue watching this video, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is to remove the mushroom from the package. And I'd suggest you get nice fresh mushrooms. It just give a better flavor. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to give them a quick little rinse off. You can do so with salt water or vinegar water. It's just up to you. Alright, so what we're going to do is to just do that and return. And this is what I did, guys. I actually put them on a piece of paper towel just to absorb any excessive liquid, right? And I'm just cutting them in half. You can cut them in your desired size. For the smaller ones, I'll just cut them in half. For the bigger one, maybe in 3 slices. And you see that the mushroom has a nice meaty texture, which I also love. Alright, so we're going to go ahead now and do the garlic, and the more the merrier, guys. If you're a garlic lover, then you can use as much as how you like. But I think I'm going to use maybe around 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. I like to get that nice garlicky flavor. And if it's that you don't like garlic, or if it give you a heartburn at the end, I'm going to show you something that you can do to prevent that, and also that garlicky smell. It helps to eliminate that as well. Let me just clean these off and show it to you guys. Alright, so here is your garlic. If you don't want to have that aftertaste, garlicky taste in your mouth, then you can remove the core of the garlic, which is this little part here, the belly part. Yes, you just remove that. That is the part that gives people heartburn and give you that after garlicky taste in your mouth. That right there, just remove it. I don't mind, but I'm just sharing that information with you guys. See? So you have to make sure it removed properly. Yes. So that's a little tip you can use if you're not so much of a garlic lover, you don't like the aftertaste in your mouth, then you can do that. I'm going to rinse these off and return. Alright, I'm going to crush the garlic. You can chop them as fine as possible. Going in with some extra virgin olive oil, my butter, and of course now my garlic. While the garlic is breaking down, I'm going to zest my orange. Half a teaspoon of the orange zest. Beautiful flavors working with here, guys. What I'm going to do now is to add in my thyme, and you can season the mushroom how you like it. And fresh thyme does give the mushroom a lovely flavor. Now in with our mushrooms. You want to cook these for around 5 minutes, so all those flavors can come together. and absorb in your mushroom. You can already see some of them, the texture is changing. You want to make sure you cook this very nice and thorough, because guess what, even though the bigger ones it will still be raw on the inside, so you don't want that. You want to make sure you get them all cooked evenly. Take note how much they have minimized in size. And this is it, guys. You have yourself a nice orange garlic flavor in your mushrooms with the thyme. You don't need anything more than this, guys. It's so easy to prepare. Very nice. Like when I go to restaurants, like this is the thing I would just always look forward to eating. Very easy meal to prepare. And of course you can garnish with some orange and some Fresh Scallion. There you have it, guys. Something nice, something easy, something full of flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, guys. Bye.